Let's go through step-by-step instructions for paying bills using BPAY in the Police Credit Union banking app. Log in and from the home screen select Pay, the middle button on the bottom of the screen, then select BPAY. Next, select the biller to receive the bill payment or set up a new biller by clicking the New button. If you are paying a bill for the first time and you need to create a new payee, have your bill handy so you can easily enter the biller code. You will also require a one-time password, OTP SMS code, which will be sent to your contact number. Once you have set up or selected a biller, you will be directed to choose the account that you want the payment to come from. Confirm the biller details, including reference number and amount, and choose to either pay now, pay later, or set up a recurring payment. Once done, simply hit Pay.